for our next bout is Aulo for food. Our judges, Judge 1, Napulio. Judge 2, Wizan. Judge 3,
Okay, so the moment you've all waited for, bout number 8 is about to commence. As you can see, not just the people watching live are very excited for this bout, but also the boxers that will be fighting.
bout number 8 is under the 47 kilograms weight division. From the red corner, representing the province of Ormoc, Kai Aloha Kid.
Okay, from the red corner, from representing Ormoc, we have Kai Aloha Kid.
Representing the province of Palawan, Sara Tabastas.
Okay, and for the blue corner, we have representing from Palawan, Zara
This bout is
Tabastas.
scheduled for 3 rounds, 1 minute 30 seconds per round, and 1 minute rest every after round.
This is bout number 8.
John Eronico o J.R. Adam, alihog alimonako.
Zara! 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 Kai! Kai! Once again, from the red corner, Kai Aloha representing Ormoc City. And from the blue corner, representing Palawan, Zara Brianna Tabastas. Round 1.
Press search.
Sunod na lang. No. End of round 1.
John Eronico, alihog.
James Caro.
From the red corner again, ladies and gentlemen, representing Ormoc, Kai Aloha Kid. And on the blue corner, representing Palawan, we have Zara Tabastas. Round 2.
Hands up,
Pero okay naman. Yung mafia naman tingin.
hands up, hands up.
10 seconds.
It's got two, 1, 2. Hands up, 1, 2. There you go.
End of round 2.
1 minute break.
Okay, so Quest for Champions 10 Inter-Island Amateur Boxing would like to thank our major sponsors. We have VSG Australia, Gary and Pat Connolly, and we would also like to thank Mr. Niljan Tabanao. And a special thanks to our medics from White Servitum Cross Philippines. We have Mr. Angelo and Mr. Carlo. Last round.
Last round.
Last round, everything go. Last round. Go it on. Last round, go. Go. Last round, go. Step in, get in to the left. 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 1, 2, Sky, There you go. There you go. Break.
Ate mo Jay pa rin
10 seconds.
10 seconds, go.
Di kayo ba pakalitan? Di kayo ba pakalitan? Okay, and bout number 8. So later on, we will gonna announce the winner for bout number 8. Sarah. Sarah. Kai.
Okay. Paulo. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner, or ladies and gentlemen, this bout is considered draw! Congratulations, ladies! Thank you, Pai and Sarah. Okay. Okay, they receive a medal. We would like to thank the Louis Surf Club of Hawaii, USA for the
Sarah.
medals and the cash prize attached to the medals.
Okay, so here the result. We have a draw.
Now we go to bout number 9.
Congratulations again, Sarah Tabas-Tabas and
From
Kai Aloha Kid.
representing LSA Boxing and Fitness Gym of Lapu-Lapu City, Gian De La Torre.
Burger.
His opponent from Cebu City,
Okay, we have bout number We have bout number
Last